Hi, it's Jamie with your latest tech update. Teams is one of the most useful tools for the hybrid way many businesses work these days. Our only complaint? It's a bit of a resource hog and can sometimes be slow. Great news, there's a brand new version of Teams that's rolling out right now. Microsoft has reimagined it from the ground up. It's twice as fast as the classic version and uses less memory and less disk space. With the new simpler design, enhanced performance and improved security, we love it and think you will too. Oh, and they're also adding in Copilot. This is an AI assistant that helps you stay on top of your tasks. It can summarize meetings, pull out actions and hunt down information for you. The rollout of Teams is underway now. Check now if you can install it, and if we can help, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.